Hello, today I wanted to show you a little something I found at the store over the last couple of days when I was able to get to the store. Something I never had seen before, and it's a BUTTERBALL all-natural turkey breast tenderloin. And like I said, I never had seen one of these before. But anyway, it comes in this nice little pack. And so I want to see if we can't get over here in the Ninja FOODi and get it cooked up and see what it's like. So let me get started with it. Okay, now this looks like it'd be pretty good and healthy for you. It says extra lean, 99% fat free. Over here it just says all natural, and then down here it's got no steroids, no antibiotics, and all that good stuff. And so we'll go ahead and cut it open and get it washed up, and we'll be back. Okay, now when I opened that wrapper, I noticed there's two pieces in here, so I looked at the wrapper again. It does say tenderloins. Now I got this, just one little piece of silver skin, or whatever you want to call it, on this one right here, so I'm going to cut that off. And by the way, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom, and welcome to our channel, and thanks for watching our video. So, let me dispose of this over here. Alright, now, next thing we're going to do is, okay, now I'm going to take this LAWRY'S chicken and poultry rub here and put it on here. Rub it in a little bit. Flip them over. Work this in pretty good here. Now these look pretty good, don't they? I hope they are good. They're like turkey. Now we'll put these in this Ninja FOODi here, and you know it's probably not going to take a real long time. I'm going to leave these here up, face up, so I want that to look, I want this to look the best. I don't know how long it's going to take to cook these, but I bet it's not too long. Okay, now I'm going to take just a little bit of this 4C seasoned breadcrumbs here, put on top. Alright, that should be enough of that. Right now. And now with a clean glove, we'll pat these down one last time here. Down on there pretty good. Put on as much of it as you can, you know, where to stick. Alright, now let's move over here to the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Alright, I want to put these down in here. Now I sprayed the bottom of this crisper basket here with olive oil spray, Palm olive oil spray. And as soon as I get these down in there, I'm going to spray the top of them just a little bit. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Sometimes when you put stuff in the bottom of that pot, it looks so good, you say, hey, it's time to eat. That's twist it around a little bit so you can see a little bit more of it. Now, that should be the end of the glove deal for today. So now I'm just going to take this pound olive oil spray here and just lightly get on top of it. It's just going to help it to crisp up and to brown better and everything. But like I said, I already did the bottom. Okay, now we're going to come over here and we're going to shut the top on this cooker here, and we're going to turn on the power. And we don't want it on air crisp, we want it to go down here on bake roast. Okay, and we'll go hit it at 350. So you hit your temperature button, and your temperature will start flashing. You turn this little knob here counterclockwise till it gets down to 350 like that. Then you hit your timer button over here, and your time will start flashing. And we're going to put it on 20 minutes. I don't know if it'll take that long or not, but now we're going to hit the start button. Okay, and there it goes. Now, while y'all got a second waiting for this 20 minutes to go down, how about join our channel and give us a thumbs up? We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos and joins our channel. That means a lot to us when you watch our videos. So, oh, and by the way, if you see anything you like in our videos, usually there's a link down below, so you can go there and check them out. And you might see something down there you like from Amazon. So, and it don't cost a penny more if you order from our links than it does if you just order. So, see you in a few minutes. Okay, now I've checked them a couple of times to check the temperature on. I just wanted to let you see what it looks like down in here. Now these are coming right along. They look pretty good, but they're only about 130 to 35 degrees, so we'll have to let them cook on a little bit longer. But they sure are looking good, aren't they? Okay, now it's down to 20 seconds on this 20-minute cook here. And the last time I checked this, after I think when this is finished, it's going to be just about 4 or 5 degrees too cool. And that's exactly what I want, because when it does, as soon as that stops, I'm going to check the temperature again real quick. And then I'm going to set it on broil for about 5 minutes, because I want that top to get a little more crispy than what it is. And so let me check the temperature real quick here, because they look really nice like this, but they just don't quite have that crispiness I wanted on the top. Okay, they're about 135 to 140 degrees. So we'll shut the lid back on here. And we'll turn my selector knob here up to broil. Okay, and it's on 450 for 10 minutes. And so I'm going to hit the start button. Okay, now we've got to start really paying attention now, because I sure don't want to dry these out or overcook them. I just want that top nice and crusty a little bit, and the temperature to raise about 5 to 8 degrees. So we'll be back. Okay, now I just checked the temperature on those, and they're up to temperature, and they've been cooking. Well, as soon as it's 20 seconds over, they'll be cooking 8 minutes on this broil at 450. And so we'll raise this lid and let you look at them. They look so good. Now, don't those look delicious? Now we're fixing to take them out of this pot and see just how good they are. Okay, now I just want to cut into one here just to see what it's like. I'll just stick this in here. Oh, that looks delicious right there, doesn't it? I don't know if you can see those juices coming out. Look at that. That looks great, doesn't it? Okay, and that's the way that turned out. That is delicious. If you fix one of these, this is one of those recipes where I'll say don't change anything. Leave it exactly the way I did it, and you'll love this. And of course, we've got some potatoes and carrots here that we fixed before and had on here, and Kay loves cranberry sauce, so we got some cranberry sauce. And so that about does it for this little video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and as much as I'm going to enjoy eating this. And I hope you come back and see us real soon. Don't forget to wash your hands, stay away from everybody, stay home as much as you can, and watch our videos and watch all YouTube videos. And so, till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day, and come back and see us soon. Goodbye now.